Sup guys, welcome back to the Flying Chicken. My name is Kush here. I'm wearing sort of a weird jacket. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Akai professional MIDI piano, which you can connect to your Mac or honestly any device that has a software that you can code this, and if you press pad something, it does something. So let's go open and unbox this. So here is the unboxing. These are the circle tape, and by the look of it, it also gives you a link that says that okay, you can go download this and you have its own app that it made. But you don't need to use that. You can also use other stuff, other software that you're comfortable with. And yeah, so I open this up, and this is how the inside looks, and I guess it's pretty cool. Like this. So if I open this is how the look looks like. Honestly, pretty fancy. It also has a little that. I open that. So I remove all of this. You don't need that. Might need that for returning, but probably not. So there's a cable here we use, and of course the instruction guide, which almost everything has. And I'll put this down for now, and here I'm going to open this, and it has also a bunch of safety warnings. Now you can listen if you want, but I'm not the guy who does that. So opening. Okay, so there's lots of things I just pointed out. So number one, this here is just wrapped up. The keyboard also wrapped up pretty much, and that's pretty shiny. And the noise is pretty good. There's a screen here, so I'm gonna just move it a little bit here. There's a screen here, there's pads here. And there's some buttons here, and it also has a joystick. Next has a joystick, and there's also a bunch of tunes that you can do. And it also has those labeling that almost everything has. And we have this cable here that I'm pretty sure we're supposed to connect this to a device. And so now. So also tied up here. Oh. Okay, so kinda dig. So unwrapping this, I have this to put inside my Mac. For this, the Mac doesn't include a USB-C cables, but if you're using any Mac or Mac Mini, you might need to get some of this. Cable C, which I will talk later. So if I connect this to my Mac real quick, yeah, and I'm going to go attach it here. So here there's two cables here, and one of them is to add this. And automatically it opens, and it also has a bunch of lighting systems, which is pretty cool. And yeah, guess you gotta put something. It also lights up if you press anything of this, but it's pretty common. So I'm gonna actually add something right now. I'm gonna start coding this, and I'm gonna show you the end results. So after a bit of effort, I managed to do something with this thing. So if I press this is really, I guess, electronic noise. And then if I press this, it's a pretty soft noise to be honest, but it can do something. And these are all just harmony sounds. And then here's swing. I can change this. like all the way to 50 are just, so the max is 127, which I guess is cool. The best thing about this is the pads. Well, for me, it just sounds so cool. Like, you know how in electronic guitars, it's like it sounded like an electronic guitar, and I can use these joysticks to change what I want. And here this is tap tempo, which is how fast the tempo should be. This would be. See, that's loud. And if I do this, it's pretty soft. And it also has these labels that you can use. And also this is what, you might not be able to see this perfectly, but if you take a quick look, the more hard I press this, the more music it makes. If I press this super soft, but if I put it hard, so yeah. So if you want this to be like really hard, like so don't do it here. Actually do it here. Great force. So it's like you're doing a drum. Like imagine it's a drum, okay? The more hard you press it, the more noise it makes. So if I just do a little bit, that's not too much. But if I do this, I can do a lot better or a lot louder. But the thing is that many people just don't want to do that. I just wanted like just a small, like a cue, so I can just do this. To do that hard, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And this is also a special edition. And I forgot to mention one thing. In the box, according to the box, it says that it's also for high definition Allen synth, which is cool, and also acoustic piano instrument, and it also is a very vintage electric piano instrument, which I'm technically doing it like right now. Yeah, this is I guess also pretty cool. This is like step one to make those guys, make those beatboxing. If you see a movie, they're like listening to music, turning things around. This is kind of like that, but it's just made, and it's very fun to use this. I can tell you this. Oh.